Top 5 apps like AdvanceAmericanet Review that actually work today. AdvanceAmericanet is known for payday loans, but most people get this wrong by not exploring safer and more flexible alternatives. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide short-term loans, transparent terms, and secure service. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Earnin offers cash advances from your paycheck with no interest. Users love flexibility and fairness. Second, MoneyLion provides small loans and financial tools with transparent fees. Customers appreciate budget tracking and app convenience. Third, Dave offers payday advances up to with low or no fees. App users highlight speed and simplicity. Fourth, Brigit helps with emergency cash advances and budgeting tools. Many users report reliable service and timely access. Finally, Chime offers overdraft protection and cash advances through its banking app. Users value safety and transparency. Pro tip: always check fees, repayment terms, and app legitimacy. Choosing reputable apps reduces risk of debt traps. These 5 apps help you access short-term funds safely while maintaining financial responsibility.